Just wanted to take another video of the youngsters being out. This is the third day they've been out, and I'm starting to feel a little more comfortable. They've all flown around the neighborhood now, so I think we're good to go. I just got them all over the loft. And I got breeders out taking a bath today. Looks like the youngsters want to join in too. And I got some up on the roof there. It is Wednesday the 30th of March, and at about 6 o'clock this morning it was a blizzard out here. Snow coming down sideways, and now it's beautiful.